In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade directly on TradingView using your Tradovate account. Now, before we get started, we already have a separate video on our channel showing you how to connect your Tradovate to TradingView. If you haven't watched that yet, we highly recommend checking out first because you'll need to connect your account before you can place trades. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your TradingView account, go to the products, and click the super charts. This will open up the trading platform. Now on the top right corner, you have the trade option wherein you can trade with multiple brokers in the TradingView panel. Now, if you click the show all brokers, you just have to find Tradovate, which is going to be this one. Now, if you can't find it, just type in Tradovate. And you see this option, I want you to click on it, and what will happen is you need to select either the live or the demo account. For example, you choose the demo account, click the connect button. You will be forwarded to the Tradovate platform and log in using your credentials. And just like that, you will be forwarded to your Tradovate platform. Now, on the top left corner, there is a plus button. If you want to work with a template, click on the save so you can easily trade using the demo account here. Okay, so you can buy everything from stocks to ETF, place anything. If you want to buy it, you can do so. Or if you want to sell it, you can do that as well. All right, but basically that's it for today's video on how you can trade on TradingView with a Tradovate. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.